Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? Providing an in-depth analysis of supermicrocomputer, our initial report was released on Tuesday, 30th April, 2024. Now, we're delving even deeper to bring you valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest analyses. Stay ahead of crucial updates that could impact your investments. Empower your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since April 16, 2024, our system has identified supermicrocomputer as a sell candidate with a score of -4.77. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock saw a decrease of -12.04%. On average, this equates to a daily loss of 1.09% since being labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 13.71% change, with a potential return ranging from 9.62% to 68.09%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 162.92% change over the next year, with a potential return between 64.76% and 295.99%. This equates to a price range of 1,440.95 to 3,477 after 12 months. Supermicrocomputer's stock price closed at 858.80 on Tuesday, marking a decrease of 3.54%. On the last trading day, the stock saw a fluctuation of 0.2%, moving between a low of 851.08 and a high of 910.84. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of 12.4%. The trading volume also decreased by 209,000 shares, totaling 6 million shares traded at approximately $478 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a high of $229 and a low of $101.71. Currently, the price is 30.12% below the 52-week high, standing at $307.20. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, April 24, 2024, Wedbush rated SMCI as neutral with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, April 24, 2024, KeyBank rated SMCI as sector weight with an initialize action. On Friday, April 19, 2024, Wells Fargo rated SMCI as equal weight with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, April 16, 2024, Wells Fargo rated SMCI as buy with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, April 16, 2024, Wedbush rated SMCI as underperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have given supermicrocomputer stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and price to book as buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. Supermicrocomputer's stock signals are mixed today. Short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, while the long-term average indicates a general sell signal due to it being above the short-term average, forecasting a negative outlook. The stock may face resistance at $943.95 from the long-term moving average on further gains and find support at $803.94 from the short-term average on a fall. Breaking above the long-term average will signal a buy, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. A recent sell signal from a pivot top on March 13, 2024 has led to a 27.71% decline, with further downside expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD) is currently in effect. The decrease in volume alongside price in the last trading day reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 153 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 95 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 100 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for supermicrocomputer. Supermicrocomputer's support levels are at $803.32 and $708.57, with a potential risk when testing these levels. If the support at $803.32 is broken, the next support levels are at $787.50 and $601.59. The stock is considered high risk due to its volatility, with a prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In the last day, the stock moved 7.02% between high and low, and for the past week, the daily average volatility was 8.89%. Let's start by looking at the price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, which compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio may indicate overvaluation or expectations of high future growth. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is set for April 30th, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 5.94 cents, so watch these figures closely as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now, let's delve into potential day trading levels for supermicrocomputer. In an upward trend, the initial resistance level for supermicrocomputer stands at $880.55. If you're not currently holding any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For existing shareholders, this could be a potential point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, the first support level for supermicrocomputer is at $803.32. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The consensus rating for supermicrocomputer from multiple analysts is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On April 1st, 2024, Fairfax Daniel W. sold 300 shares of common stock. On March 1st, 2024, Fairfax Daniel W. sold 300 shares of common stock. On February 29, 2024, Tuan Sherman sold 1,000 shares of common stock. On February 29, 2024, Tuan Sherman sold 125 shares of common stock. On February 29, 2024, Tuan Sherman sold 752 shares of common stock. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider sentiment is positive with a ratio of 65.901. Overall, insiders bought 443,105 shares and sold 82,120 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer shows multiple negative signals, indicating potential weak performance in the near future. Our evaluation leans towards a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing recent volatility and price movements, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, May 1st, our projections indicate that supermicrocomputer may open at $14.77 and commence trading at $873.57. It is important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Before buying or selling any securities, it is advisable to consult a financial advisor. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment choices. Presenting our current analysis of the stock, we value your input, so feel free to share your agreement or disagreement in the comments. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Wishing you profitable trades and a wonderful day from the entire team at StockInvest.